In the last video, we described how to use the framing square to lay out a rafter. So one of the things that we learned was to use the framing square to lay out a plumb cut at the ridge line. And then from there, we would take the measurement that we calculated and measure from that to the top of the wall plate, or the outside of the wall plate, and then place another plumb cut with our framing square there, and then proceed to put a seat cut for where the rafter is going to sit on top of the wall. So now we're going to talk about rafter overhang. Rafter overhang is the amount of material that sits from the outside edge of the wall to the overhanging edge of the rafter. In order to do that, we have to go and calculate this off the blueprint and then apply it using our framing square. So we would check with our blueprint to determine how much the overhang is supposed to be. And in this case, we're going to say it's 6 inches. If you notice, the framing square is held up against the edge of the rafter as it was when we were marking out for the plumb cut and seat cut. So therefore, we're measuring horizontally like on a seat cut. That's 6 inches. So now we slide the framing square further down to that 6-inch mark and mark a plumb cut. The rafter tail overhang sometimes has what we call a soffit, which is a horizontal piece that's fastened to it. If that is the case, then we need to make another horizontal seat cut off the tail of the rafter. So this concludes the rafter overhang tutorial.